Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If there's less than 3 layers, it's probably not a lasagna, says Morocco. There's no need to go crazy, aim for somewhere between 3 and 1,000, but one thing's for sure, you need to use a pan that's big enough to hold all of that gooey goodness in. The test kitchen likes 13x9 casserole dishes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The most common reasons for runny lasagna are over-layering, overfilling, using too much sauce, not draining excess fat from meat filling, wet noodles, wet ricotta, vegetables that give off moisture as they cook, inaccurate measuring, and not cooling lasagna enough before slicing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Finish off your lasagna either with a layer of tomato-based sauce or with your white sauce, whichever you have left, and then grate over plenty of Parmigiano Reggiano. A common extra topping is torn mozzarella, which makes a lovely, melted cheesy layer on top.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Answer: if you assemble and bake the lasagna ahead of time, you shouldn't keep it longer than 3 days in the refrigerator. If you need to keep it longer, it would be better to freeze it and reheat it. If you just need to make it a day ahead, you could refrigerate it before baking it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.